Hi guys, I'm sorry I'm not going to be there today. I just wanted to show you a quick video. This is a choice board that you're going to be doing today. It should only take you about anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes to complete the activity, so you should have some free time when you're done. So you will open the PowerPoint and you're going to click here for directions, or you could just scroll through the slides to see the different directions. You can click on each option to learn more about the different choices. You need to select one of the 4 options to complete from the board for today's assignment. Please create a document underneath this assignment in Google Classroom. Click Add and start a new document to complete your work on. When you complete whatever option you're choosing, upload your document to the assignment on Google Classroom and hit Turn It In. If you need a reminder about Ethos, Pathos, Logos, there's a link here that takes you to the Argumentative Devices page and you can review what each of them is. All right, so if we go back to the choice board, let's look at our options. So option 1 is a scripted argument. So you will write out a script for a fake argument between you and your friend that shows ethos, pathos, and logos in the argument. You can have the argument be on any topic, but your script needs to be at least 10 lines total. And please do label the devices where you use them in your script so that it's easy for me to find that you used all 3 of them correctly. Option 2 is to be a car salesman. So if you do this one, you're going to pretend that you're a car salesman and you're going to write me a sales pitch for the car of your choice. You need to use ethos, pathos, and logos in your sales pitch to try to convince me to buy this car. You need at least 7 sentences in order for your pitch. Your third option is a commercial analysis. So you can find your own examples, can't be ones we used in class, of ethos, pathos, and logos, one for each. It could be an advertisement, like a photo advertisement, or it could be a commercial. You need to include each example on your document or a link if it's YouTube, and explain how the device that it shows is present. One for ethos, one for pathos, one for logos. Can I find one that has all 3? No, you need one example for each. So don't text me and ask me that. And then lastly, an illustration. This one's a little bit more work. I just included it because I know some of you like to draw. So you can either draw using an online system or on paper, some sort of comic strip or illustration where people are talking and it represents ethos, pathos, and logos. You could have speech bubbles. You could literally do like one frame of a comic strip and just have each person saying something different about an argument that's using the 3. It doesn't have any length that needs to be, but you need to show me all 3 argumentative devices, ethos, pathos, and logos in your little illustration or comic strip. Please use speech bubbles because there's no way to show an argument without them. Please remember you also need to still complete your do now. It is test prep Thursday. It's on Google Classroom, so as soon as you finish the do now, then you can complete the choice board and turn it in. If you draw your thing on paper, you need to upload the photo to the assignment on Google Classroom and hit turn in. I will not be checking for your work until 4 p.m., but you do also need to fill out the attendance form. So step 1, do the attendance form. Step 2, do your do now. Step 3, choose your option on the choice board and complete it. You guys have 80 minutes to do all 3 of those things. If you have questions, you should probably not text me. You should probably watch this video or ask a friend first. And then if you really, really, really have no idea what's going on, then you can text me. But I may not be able to answer right away because I have some doctor's appointments tomorrow, which will be today by the time you watch this. So I wish you the best of luck, and I will see you on Friday. I will be back on Friday, and we will learn about logical fallacies, my friends. Love you. Bye.